Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into OpenShift, deploy containerized applications step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for your OpenShift cluster. Press the Enter key to navigate to the OpenShift login page. You should now see the login form. Choose the authentication method you prefer to use. If you are using an email and password, enter your email address in the appropriate field. Next, input your password in the password field. Make sure to double-check your credentials for accuracy. If you are using a token or other authentication method, follow the instructions provided on the login page. Once you have entered your credentials, click the Login button. Wait for the page to load, which may take a few moments. After logging in, you will be directed to the OpenShift dashboard. From here, you can access various resources and projects. To deploy a containerized application, click on the Developer menu option. Then select Add to Project to start the deployment process. Choose the method you wish to use for deployment, such as from catalog or from Git. If you select from catalog, browse the available templates. Choose the desired application template and click on it. Fill in the required information for your application. This may include name, resource allocation, and environment variables. Once all details are filled in, click Create. Your application will begin deploying, which may take a few minutes. Monitor the deployment status from the dashboard. Once the deployment is complete, you will receive a notification. Now you can access your deployed application via the provided URL. Congratulations, your containerized application is now live on OpenShift. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.